Hey guys, well, we did the install on the Lenovo Y510 and I told you I'd come back when we upgraded the RAM. So as you know, this door right here, it's got a little HDD on it, so we already know that's the hard disk drive. So that's your disk drive right there. So what you want to do is, this is the other one right here, so just simply remove some little Phillips head screws. And as you see, here's the RAM right there. So all you're going to do is pretty much, now on these right here, usually the back, the one that's underneath the other one, that's the bigger one. So that's going to be the 2 gig, and then this one up front is going to be the 1 gig. All you do is got little pins right here, pull them sideways. Look at that. Let me show you. It popped up. See how it popped right on up? So literally all you're going to do is at that point, just pull it out. We've got the new one, and all you're going to do is literally it goes right back in the exact same way, and it's just so simple. Boom. So now when you turn the computer back on, it'll automatically configure and show that it's in there. So just make sure, sometimes you have to make sure it's all in the right place. Let me double check on this one, and it's actually where it's exactly supposed to be. So it's just as simple as that. Pretty much put the cover back on and you are good to go. Now we just went from 3 gigs on this one of RAM up to 4 gigs of RAM. These are the PC2 6400 series. So tried to match up both of them exactly the same, and that way you give this computer a little bit more life. The other thing we're going to do, we're going to check back through. We're going to be changing out the battery system right here. This was the Lenovo one, and I found a different one. So stop back through. I'll tell you about the battery, an easy upgrade on that one that won't break the bank. And actually, I got 2.5 hours out of it. So check back on that one. I hope it helps. Catch you guys on the next one.